Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you're unable to accept the permissions for the user agreements on your LG TV. So we can just go to settings, and if we go to settings on the top here, we can try selecting them manually here by going down to support, scroll on down to privacy and terms, and then we just go to user agreements right here. And you can try check marking them now, check mark each one. Or you can go to select all and just go to agree and just see if that works. Otherwise, you could be having an issue with your internet. So what we want to do is go on over to the Wi-Fi options and just change the DNS. So let's back out of here, go to settings. Then we have the Wi-Fi option on the top. Let's go to Wi-Fi. Open this up. Go to your Wi-Fi connection. Then we want to go to advanced settings. Turn off IPv6, so this is going to be turned on. Turn it off. Then we want to go to edit. Then on checkmark automatically. Then we can go down and we should be able to select a DNS. So it looks like I have this checkmark still. Going down, select DNS server. Let's delete this. So delete it all and type in 8.8.8.8, then go to enter. And go to connect. And this should connect to the internet now. And you can try accepting those user agreements once again. So just go back to where I showed you the first time and try accepting those. Now you could try also on the back of your LG TV, there is a slot for a Ethernet cable. You could try plugging in directly to your router. Otherwise, let's go back over to settings right here and then go to Wi-Fi. And we're going to set up a mobile hotspot on our phone. So let's go to Wi-Fi connection. And then you can see all these different connections right here. We're going to want to come back in here and then set up a hotspot on our phone. So here's my phone. So we're going to scroll on down from the top. So scroll on down from the top, go to settings. Then we want to go to network and internet. Then we can see hotspot and tethering right here. Turn this on. And then you can just tap it. And you can see the hotspot name. And then you go to the hotspot password. So that's what you want to type in on the screen. So on my screen, you can see my hotspot is already on here. It's listed as 5G, it's called Tim Wi-Fi. We can just go to this now. And then you can just type in the password, and I think mine is just Timothy1. Like this. And then go to enter. Now when you connect to this, it could be a completely different DNS and the way it connects to the internet. I think I typed it in wrong, so it didn't connect. So I'm just back on my regular Wi-Fi now. So you can try connecting on there if the password doesn't work. You can always go to your hotspot and you can completely change it around. So try connecting with a different method. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.